Dear students, today we will talk about the exercises on page number 10 of your book. You see these exercises. You have check your progress. Check your progress. Define the following. You have to define the following terms. The first term is petiole. What is petiole? Right? Leaf base or petiole is the part of the leaf. So how to write the answer to this one? Petiole is leaf base or petiole. Leaf base or petiole, they are nearly the same. Right? Leaf base or petiole is the part of the leaf that attaches a leaf to the branch or stem. Right? Now, along with this, you need to draw one figure like this. This is lamina, and you see this portion is leaf petiole, right? This is leaf petiole. This is also known as leaf base. I am shading the portion leaf petiole with red. This much portion is known as leaf petiole. Clear? Is that clear to all of you? So this way you write the answer. So leaf base or petiole is the part of the leaf that attaches the leaf to the branch or stem. Second term that you have to write is vegetative propagation. The second one that you have to write is vegetative propagation. Second one is vegetative. The meaning of, you must know, meaning of this term vegetative with the help or related to veg parts. You should know the meaning of these two words. Vegetative. Vegetative means related to veg parts of plants, right? And second term is propagation. Propagation means spread step by step, right? Other word for this is, this implies, for this propagation, this implies the word reproduction. So vegetative propagation can also be written as vegetative reproduction, right? So what will be the definition of this? Certain plants reproduce by using their vegetative parts like leaf, stem, branch or root. So such reproduction in plants where the plant parts like root, stem, branch or leaf. Such reproduction in plants where the plant parts like root, stem, branch or leaf reproduce or reproduce new plants of their own kind. Is called vegetative propagation. Right, is called vegetative, as in bryophyllum in the modified function of the leaf we have seen. The third one is lamina. Examples you can write in this vegetative examples. Examples are sugarcane by stem, rose by branch, then sweet potato by roots. So stem, branch, root, then leaf, bryophyllum by leaf. The next term that you have to write the definition of is, the next term is lamina. Lamina is the widespread green part, widespread flattened green part of the plant leaf facing sun, bearing the midrib veins and veinlets. So lamina is widespread flattened green part of the plant leaf facing sun, bearing the midrib, veins and veinlets, is called lamina. Here also you need to draw the figure. You draw the figure like this. Right? And lamina, which one is lamina? This full flat portion. This is lamina. Right? You see this. What is this one? This one is lamina of the leaf. This flat portion where I am moving my hand, this is lamina. So the third term is widespread, spread, flattened, not thick, flattened part of the plant leaf. This full is leaf, its part. This lamina is its part. Facing sun. This faces the sun. It has to absorb the sunlight for photosynthesis. And this is taking in it the midrib. What is the midrib? This one is the midrib. This one where I am moving my finger is midrib. Then veins. These are the veins, and sub branches of veins are called veinlets. And this portion, so such a portion of the plant leaf is called as leaf lamina. The next term that you have to define is reticulate venation. The fourth one is reticulate venation. What is reticulate venation? The pattern of arrangement of leaf veins where the veins are arranged non-parallel on the leaf lamina. Such a venation, such a pattern, such a venation in the leaf is called reticulate venation. Is called reticulate Here also you need to draw figure. You draw the figure of mango leaf, and I have told you in detail about reticulate venation. So draw the figure with this. The fifth one is insectivorous plants. The fifth term that you have to define is insectivorous plants. Such plants whose nitrogenous need is met by trapping and tapping insects and withdrawing their nutrient needs from them. Examples: pitcher plant, then Venus flytrap, then sundew, etc. Right. So here you see on this page you have a question. Check your progress and you have to define certain terms. So the first one is petiole or leaf base. So leaf base, so petiole is part of the leaf that attaches a leaf to the branch or stem, right? But here this is all exercise. Exercise page number is 10, right? You must check this and complete this in your notebook. The second term is vegetative propagation. Vegetative means related to veg parts of the plant. You know, veg parts of the plant include root, stem, branches, leaves, then leaf buds also. So using these parts, if a plant is reproducing, that is vegetative propagation. So, and propagation is spread step by step. That is, This implies to the word reproduction. For reproduction, you can use the word repropagation. So certain plants reproduce by using the vegetative. Generally, the plants reproduce with the help of their seeds. But there are certain plants whose seeds cannot get a chance to develop or mature because some grazing animals may eat them away, or some adverse conditions in the atmosphere may destroy them, or sometimes their seeds are so delicate that they get destroyed. So, because of so many different aspects that restrict or hinder the reproduction of such plants by the use of the seeds, they develop with the help of their roots, branches, stem, or leaves or leaf bud. Such type of reproduction or propagation is known as vegetative propagation, as you have seen in case of rose. Many of you have taken a branch of rose stem or branch, you have cut into a small set, and that set you put into the soil, you put water, you put the nutrient, and after a week or so, these small birds appear on the branch, and later on gradually, with gradual developments, growth and developments in that set, a new rose plant develops, right? So this is called vegetative growth. Lamina is the wide spread flat and green part of the plant leaf. This one facing sun, bearing the midleaf veins and veins is called lamina. Then reticulate venation, the pattern of arrangement. These veins are arranged not parallel. Here it is reticulate venation. What is the other kind of venation? Parallel venation. Do you remember? In banana and in bamboo, then maize, sugar cane. These are the plants where the leaves are parallel venation. But here the question is asking for reticulate venation. Reticulate venation, the pattern of arrangement of leaf veins is non-parallel, not parallel, right? Then insectivorous plants, such plants whose nitrogenous nutrient need is met by trapping insects and withdrawing their nutrient needs from them, right? Some plants of this kind are pitcher, Venus fly traps, and etc. Here the leaves they modify and do perform modified function. That's all in this video. We'll talk